If you've been dealing with brain fog, forgetting names, or just feeling mentally slower than you want to be, Pineal Guardian X is one of those supplements that immediately stands out because the page makes a very specific promise: support memory, focus, and brain clarity with a natural formula. Pineal Guardian X is a brain health supplement built around a pretty unusual angle. The sales page says it's designed to help flush fluoride from the pineal gland and support natural melatonin production. In simple terms, the product is positioned as a daily formula for people who want clearer thinking, better recall, and more mental sharpness without stimulants or habit-forming ingredients. The page leans heavily into the idea that modern life can leave people feeling foggy, distracted, and forgetful. It talks about memory loss, reduced focus, and age-related decline, then connects that to pineal gland function. Whether someone comes to that theory because they're curious about brain health or because they already feel the effects of mental fatigue, the product is aimed at a real and relatable concern: wanting your mind to feel steady again. According to the sales page, Pineal Guardian X combines ingredients like yamabushitake, spirulina, moringa, tamarind extract, French maritime pine bark, chlorella, neem, ginkgo biloba, and bacopa monnieri. Each one is described as supporting a different piece of the bigger picture, from antioxidant support and circulation to sleep support and cognitive clarity. The mechanism is framed as a layered formula rather than a single ingredient product, which gives it a more complete feel. A few ingredients get especially strong positioning. Yamabushitake is presented as a brain-boosting mushroom. Spirulina and chlorella are framed as superfoods for detox support. Ginkgo biloba and bacopa monnieri are classic brain health ingredients tied here to focus and recall. Moringa, pine bark, and tamarind round out the formula with antioxidant and circulation support. So the product is really trying to appeal to buyers who like multi-angle formulas with a lot of botanical depth. The pricing is actually one of the clearest parts of the page. There's a 2-bottle option at $69 per bottle, a 4-bottle option at $59 per bottle, and a 6-bottle option at $39 per bottle with free shipping, 4 free bonuses, and a 365-day guarantee. The 2-bottle package comes to $138 plus $9.99 shipping, while the 4-bottle bundle comes to $236 plus shipping. If someone wants the best bundle value, the 6-bottle package is the strongest offer on the page. The 6-bottle deal includes 4 bonuses: the Pineal Guardian X Quick Start Guide, the Sleep Miracle, the Ultimate Ear Health Toolkit, and Brain Health Therapy audio tracks. That matters because the page is not just selling capsules or drops. It's trying to create a broader routine around sleep, brain health, and daily consistency. For buyers who like support materials, that adds a lot of perceived value. The testimonial section is another strong point. The page includes named reviewers saying things like they're remembering names better, feeling more mental clarity, noticing less brain fog, and handling daily tasks with less distraction. I always look at testimonials as directional evidence rather than proof, but the page does show several specific voices, which helps the offer feel more grounded than a bare-bones sales page. One of the most reassuring parts is the 365-day money-back guarantee. The page says you can return the product, even empty bottles, within a full year and receive a refund, less shipping and handling. That is a very long refund window, and it lowers the pressure a lot for someone who wants to try the product carefully and see how it fits their routine. My take is that Pineal Guardian X is best seen as a heavily marketed brain health supplement with clear bundle pricing, a long refund window, and a benefit story centered on memory, focus, and clarity. I like that the page gives you ingredient details, customer quotes, and a straightforward package structure. If you're curious about a natural daily formula and you want a product with strong value on the larger bundle, this is worth a look. With the usual reminder that results vary and the page's claims should be read as marketing claims, not medical guarantees. If you want to check it out, use my link in the description.